Just a quick before and after.
Jurassic Park and high tech, high quality. Jim Nugent. I'm the Executive Vice President of Nations Roof. We were part of the General Roofing roll-up, and in General Roofing I was the National Sales Manager. It was $41 million of service with 31 locations, and we had established 4 service centers. And of course the technology wasn't quite what it is today, so it was really quite a challenge. We were doing the reports the long, hard way. I mean, we used to have a 4-inch binder filled with our standard format. And I went to the NRCA IRE convention and I saw the FCS booth. And the fellow there showed me the product. And I got to tell you, I was just blown away. I just thought it was great.
My name's Greg Wallach. I'm the president and CEO of Best Roofing. You know, we all like to think we know everything in our business, especially a guy like me who's been around it as long. But what FCS brought to the table, the reports and the end product was formatted in the way that clients want to see it. We had been with the other industry, I don't want to say the name of it, platform, and they were great at the time. But we kind of grew to a point where we hit this glass ceiling and we couldn't go any further with them because they were just too cumbersome. And FCS took what was like for instance, you know, invoicing for us was a 21-step process with, you know, our former system, and with FCS, I think it turned into a 2 or 3-step process.
My name is Anthony Shana, and I own Shana Roofing and Sheet Metal. So when we came on board with FCS, we have a large service department. We have a high volume of customers, and keeping track of all of these guys creates a tremendous amount of paperwork. They'd go out to the job with their papers in hand, taking their cameras, digital cameras, taking photos, turning it in at the end of the day, and then the next morning we'd have a guy spending almost the whole day getting pictures off of a camera, trying to match those photos to the service order that they were working on. We had gotten to a point where we thought we couldn't grow anymore in our service department. We thought the guys were tapped out. This is as much as we can do with the people that we have. And then once we started implementing this system, it was all done. It's all right there, complete. We have to just go and click a few buttons, type in our invoicing and do our pricing, make any adjustments, and hit a button, it's done. So it probably allowed us to increase our sales a good 20% the first year. And we found room we didn't know we had to work with.